Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to get massive thumbnails or video previews on Facebook. Okay, so you're making videos on YouTube and you want to post them on social media, things like Twitter, Facebook, etc. But when you go to post them, you get these tiny little thumbnail previews on your Facebook feed. Now, what you really want is a big, nice, big, chunky, visible, appealing thumbnail or video preview to attract viewers to your video. So how can you do that? Well, there's many ways of doing it, most of which cost a lot of money. But today I'm going to show you how to use a free piece of software or a free website called Vidrise, and for absolutely £0 and 0 pence, or $0 if you're that way inclined, you can get your large video previews on Facebook. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Vidrise. Now, Vidrise is a website you can go to and you can sign up, and for absolutely nothing, free, 0 pence, you can create new links for your videos from your already existing YouTube library. So if you want to post, say, an older video on YouTube, you can copy the URL from your YouTube video, paste it into Vidrise, and click a button, and out from the other side comes another link you can paste directly into your Facebook feed or into your Twitter feed to give you a large video thumbnail or video preview, which currently Facebook doesn't allow you to do natively. So you have to use a third-party application or website, in this case Vidrise, to allow you to do that. So to give you some idea of what your thumbnails would normally look like, I'll show you one which is on this website. So here on the left you've got the before. So this is going to be your standard kind of Facebook setup. And then using Vidrise, this is what you get, which is a lot more appealing and a lot more clickable, which is what it's all about in the YouTube video game. So currently you've probably got a small problem. So you've got ugly YouTube video links on Facebook, you've got tiny little thumbnails which people can't really see what it is, so as they're scrolling on their phone or PC, they can't really work out what is going on in your video unless you make massive text, and basically it destroys your thumbnail or any creativity you might have in that thumbnail. And also sometimes Facebook will truncate your video titles, so if you've got a long descriptive title, Facebook will automatically truncate that so you can't really see what the description is, maybe the first few words. And also, they're not very engaging. People see a squashed up logo or a squashed up video with a play button in the middle. It's not really going to entice them to click on it and create more views and more revenue for you. So what you need is a bigger solution. So using the Vidrise website or application, I think, which is in works, you can go to something like this. So you've got a small play button in the middle of your video, you've got a big preview, you can get in all your text, and it looks a lot nicer. So bigger thumbnails, you get custom titles as well, so you can modify it, and you can also upload custom thumbnails to go with your video, which doesn't affect your existing YouTube library. So that's what Vidrise can help you do. Now there's also more things they can help you do, which is an extra add-on if you want to pay for it. So let's go through the pricing structure. So if you're just a casual user and you want to make some big thumbnails, then the casual version with no hidden fees whatsoever is completely 100% free. Now you can use that tool to do 10 links per week and you still get all your link statistics. The only downside potentially is that when somebody clicks on your link via Facebook, it will actually open from the Vidrise site. Your video will play full screen in the Vidrise site, but obviously Vidrise branding will be evident. But if you're a casual user, it's not going to affect your views, it's not going to affect your hits, it still gets counted as a view on YouTube, so it's all good. But if you want a little bit more personalization, or you want it to link to either your site, or you want to play natively in YouTube's own player, then there's the sharer plan, which is £5 a month, or sorry, $5 a month, which isn't a great deal of money these days, and that is billed at £15 quarterly. Now with that you get more control over your videos, and you can include unlimited links. So if you've got hundreds and hundreds of videos and you want to link them all and really spam up your Facebook feed or your Twitter feed, then you can go ahead and do that. Now if you're a professional and you want to pay the £10 a month, you get even more detailed analysis in your videos. You do get analysis with the casual and the sharer version, but it's just a more enhanced version with the Pro. So you get detailed analytics, and also you get a custom domain included with the price of your subscription. You also get things like uptime and performance monitoring, which again, if you're a sort of beginner in YouTube or you're a smaller channel, then these things probably aren't going to be of benefit to you now, but you can always upgrade in the future if you want to. So going back to it, the free version, say no hidden fees, you can do 10 links per week, which is quite a lot. If you produce 10 videos a week, then, well, you're a pretty hardcore YouTuber. I would imagine most people produce maybe 1 or 2 a week, so you're not going to find a problem there. You still get your link statistics, you get customized thumbnails, you get link management, but you do get playback via Vidrise, which I will show you what that looks like now. So that is the playback within the Vidrise site. So you've got Vidrise branding on the top, but you still get your large screen video, and it's played kind of within YouTube, but within Vidrise, but all the links count. And also, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see, you also get a bit more information of what's been going on. So you've got an option to share it in more sites, Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. It tells you how many shares you've had, how many redirections you've had, and how many YouTube views you've had, which mine aren't particularly good. So if you can click on that button and watch the video a few more times, that'd be really helpful. But anyway, that's been a brief introduction of Vidrise and what it can do for you and what it can do for your YouTube videos, and to help try and get them out there on social media. I've been Mike, this has been Mike's Unboxing, this has been Vidrise. I'll put some links in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.